Hi, it's your boy Bope Tech. Boom! I welcome once again to the channel. The name still remain Bope Tech TV. Today we are going to learn how to make money in Ghana legitimately. Now, some of my people are calling me, commenting that they want to make investment with mobile money. Now, today I'm going to teach you the best platform that you're going to invest your money. You earn a commission for entering in the website every day. You earn a commission by reading news, and you earn more of it. And anytime that you refer people, you earn, and also your investment will be increasing. Now, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and move it to on. Anytime the video is being uploaded, you'll be notified the video is being uploaded by YouTube, so that you'll be the first person to watch. Let's jump into this video because we don't want to waste time. Boom! Today I'm happy doing this for my subscribers and viewers. Let's go into this. So check in the description, there is a link there. Use the link, it will move you to the registration phase, and the name of this website is called Nation Team. Nation Team became the National Republic of Ghana website that allow you to advertise and promote your product. Now, if you are someone who is low counter in buying, low counter in selling, and you want to advertise your program or whatever you have to do, it's either wedding or business or whatever you want to advertise, I kindly recommend this website to you. Just check in the description, there is a link there. You only need 10 Ghana cedis to register. Don't shake. Some of these websites are there for long, and if you invest in them, you will never lost. Than investing into other websites that will only last for 1 year, and in 2 years time, much of your money will be stealing away, and you will now run loss. You can't even get money to do business again. So stay tuned to this video and watch it to the end and know how to make money with this website and also promote your business. Now let's get started. When you use the link, it will move you to this place. It will move you to an interface like this to register your account, and I'm going to teach you how to register this account right here. Now this is how the face of this website look like. Let's read some things here. WhatsApp, we have a WhatsApp symbol here on top here, so you have to read up there. Are you facing any challenge? Call or WhatsApp us on this. So this is their number that you can call them or WhatsApp them. Now the same Nation Republic log in as post. So we have all as that has been posted. If someone is here to look for us or something that has been posted, to read news and all those things, business, find a way, or to find jobs here, you see others post their jobs and all these things here. People always come here in category to look for things, and we are here looking for a way to make money with this. So just stay tuned, and how we are going to register to join this program and also earn money. Now when you use the link, it will move you to this registration form. You are going to fill this form. Now this is how the form will look like when you just type on the link in the description. Just use this link in the description. I'll explain to you why you are supposed to use the link, because you will not be able to register when you do not use this link, because there will be action of referral code, because without this referral code you can register. So the referral code will automatically be in your registration form when you use this link. It's either you are in Ghana or anywhere in the country. So if you are not in Ghana, you type I'm not in Ghana, they will now bring the rest of the names of this, and you will use your country to register. If you're in Ghana and you don't want to use Ghana to register, just hit me up. I'll let you use one VPN to register for this, and your money will be what, increasing than you being in Ghana. But right now I have to use Ghana because I don't want to use any VPN for my video, which will convince or confuse my viewers and subscribers. So type I'm using Ghana. So anywhere you use your country, say please choose type of account you want. We have a personal account which is 10 Ghana cedis for a whole year. Business account which is 100 Ghana cedis for a whole year. So these two accounts are the accounts that can be what used. And also this website run advertisement. You see, YouTube pay content creators to create a content for an advertisement playing on their videos, so they'll be paid after they join the monetization partner program. And yet they also run advertisement program. You see, all ads that have been loading YouTube videos, some are here, so they don't run lost like YouTube. They will also stay long. So just stay to this video, watch it to the end, and boom. So we are using the 10 cities one. Just type on this 10 cities one. Automatically, when you type on this or use the link there, your referral link will automatically be there. So registering for personal account subscription fee is 10 Ghana cedi for a whole year. So this is how the form will look like. You put your first name, your last name, your username, which is your nickname, your phone number, email, confirm your email, your username, or who invited you. So when you use the link, the invited name will automatically be here. So follow these steps to pay your membership fee. I'm going to show you this. Please stay tuned to this place. This is where some always lose their money just because they do the wrong thing. Now what you need to do is just step one. Please send the membership fee of 10 Ghana cedis from your phone to our numbers. Don't go and give to someone to send. Put or go and deposit the money into your mobile money account. Use it, because anytime there'll be a challenge, there'll be action of a screenshot or a verification of you sending that money. So you can use that one to come back and refund your money. We have more money users, Airtel users, Vodafone, any of them you want to use. So if it is MTN that you want to use, they will ask you to dial *170# to pay this to Nation Team. So the name is Nation Team Information Technology. So step 2, you receive a usual mobile money SMS message from this. Look into this message, copy the transaction ID. You see it, the transaction ID. Now come back here, paste it here, enter your password and confirm your password and enter I understand. I here tell you that don't do anything, go and send the money. Just type home back, or you can use any phone to send the money and get the transaction ID. Come put it here and fill in your details, and now accept and submit. It will be on pending, and in some few minutes time they will tell you your account has been registered successfully. I already have account, so I will definitely log into my account and show you this. So this is how the interface of this website will look like after you finish verifying your account. Now we are going to read some things here. We have affiliate earning, the RNA code, any record, payment request. This is your referral link here. You have a referral link here. Download. Now those are invited, so you can type here and see your invited. Your affiliate banners, like you can make this affiliate banner. You write something, you approve your ads, your pending ads, your ads needed to edit, join their Facebook group. Now they have the total approval, total paid, yearly end, and total pending. Now this is how it look like. Graphic design service, this and that. You see it. So when you run more this thing on this, they also give you credit that you can use to perform other taxes. So we'll first go to how we are going to promote our ads. If you want to promote your ads, so people will find your product and buy things from you and do many things, and you can even join their blogging program. So you'll be blogging here. So what you need to do is you go to, we are not talking about the blog here, maybe next in our video we'll talk about this blog. Now you just type on post and ads. If you are someone watching this video, you want to promote or advertise anything of you, this is where you just type. When this finish loading, you'll ask you to input details of your product or whatever. So they have product and service for sale, property for rent, job vacancy. So if you are even looking for job, you can get job here. If you want to promote your job, so want to buy something, want to announce something, anything that you want to do, you can post it here. So what we want to do is, maybe we want to advertise about our sales, so anything that we want to sell, or our renting or anything, so we just put it here. Now we are in the main reason why we are here to make money. Now they have this referral link that anytime that you refer one person, you are entitled to earn 9 cedis. So their profit is 1 cedi and your profit is what, 9 cedi. So when you've been able to refer more people, you earn. The more you refer, the more you earn. So what you need to do is just copy this referral link here, copy it, share it to your friends, ask them to register. After they finish registering, you earn a commission of 9 cedi. Mpanyinfoɔ bu baby ɛwɔ Asante Kasa mu sɛ wamma onua antwa nkɔ a also wontwa ndo. Just use my referral link. Let me also earn and be regarded for doing this video, as you want your friends to also refer you to make more money. So if you are looking for job and you want job and you are not getting, visit this website. Just use the referral link, register. If you did not register, you can't visit this website. So you go to all us and you will find a job. There will be a contract there, the number of the person will be there, everything, details of this person will be there. You can pick it and go and call the person, and you and the person will negotiate how you are going to do this work. The whole world, worldwide, wherever you are, you want to make or you want to find job. And these are some of them. Any job that you want, you know, anything that you want about this, you can search it here. You put location and categories are here. So when you type on this category, they will bring the categories, what you are looking for. So product and service here, job vacancy. So you type on this job vacancy. When it's finished loading, we see jobs in Ghana or over. So let me just use Ghana because I'm in Ghana. I'm always using Ghana as well. So you use your country at anywhere you are. So these are the nursing needed urgently. So in Kumasi, they are going to pay you 1,500 if you've completed school and you want work, like you are a nurse that has not been posted and you need work. Just hit up here and contact these people. They'll pick you. Now this is their number. This means they are looking for this person urgently. So their number and everything is there. You can just contact them and they'll let you submit your CVs, and your minimum qualifications are here, certificate and diploma. So and the minimum experience at least 1 year. So you just send your everything. The locations are here, Kumasi and everything. These are, so wherever you are, you can just request, and these are some of them. Some of constructions are also here. If you want, you can also call. That is in Ghana, while the Western region municipal jobs in Ghana. So you can even, any job you want, you can join and you call them and see whether the job is still available. You join. This is very helpful. Please use 10 cedi to find a job. It's not easy to get a job. Just use this 10 cedi to find a job, so you can refer more people when they also want to get this kind of job by earning something too. So just use my referral link. Please register and find job, and also refer people to earn more. Thank you for watching, and I'm always grateful to you people. Put your comment, like this video, share it. Let's go viral. Please let the likes flow and this video should go viral. Our channel is flopping, not going high. Please, people should forgive me that a day I can't make a video for you. We are still struggling. You know, we always want a good content for our viewers, not to fall you into scam victims. So please, people should forget us. One time come and we are stable, this channel will run butu. As I said, we are always more protective. Thank you, and you are welcome once again. Bye bye. We'll meet once again. Shalom, and may the God live with you with peace.